So the question is my mom walking Dolly or is Dolly walking my mom? All right, it is October 19th and we are walking on the Resaca Battlefield. We are on the Blue Trail currently. We have Dustin, Tim, my mom, Dolly the dog, and Ivor the dog. Dolly doesn't get out much, so this might be interesting. It's really pretty currently. We were just dodging the rain. We might get wet in a little bit, so I guess we'll see. This trail is just under 3 miles, so it's gonna be a pretty moderate, good walk outside, and plus the sky is so pretty now. So I think it's gonna be nice. What do you think, Dustin?
They're pretty good, as long as that breeze keeps coming.
He's carrying our water bag for us. I'm also trying my new hiking boots out. These are Columbia hiking boots, so it's the first walk in them. Good Lord.
I haven't seen her act like that. What is she doing?
Alright, so we are about 1 mile in. We're walking pretty good. It just opened up to this big old field. Really pretty out. We're still at a really open, pretty spot. It's just very gorgeous, very flat. Yeah. We're back in the woods now, going up some hills. We're getting close to the end. We are about 1.92 and this trail is about 2.8. So about a mile left. How you feel, Tim?
Oh, I'm all right. I'm good.
Ooh, there's some rain clouds.
Somebody walking down the field.
We're at 2.32, so luckily we're not going to get too wet. Go! We made it to the end. We're at 2.56, and here's what we're looking at right now. Alright, so thank you for watching. Bye!